Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I've been playing around with Google's Create Image feature. I have at least 3 or 4 posted on my channel. I mean, it's amazing like how well it renders stuff that you ask for. I mean, most of the time you actually get what you want, if not more, which I find incredible. So, let me just type in one here quick to show you. Oh, wait, I'm not in the right spot. You got to click on Create Images. And then you got to describe what you want to see. Let's type in moon. The moon. Let's see what it gives us. And hit the arrow. And there we go. Frickin' nice, huh? Check that out. Isn't that amazing? Now, earlier I typed in Ren and Stimpy, and I did post it already, so I want to try again. I want to see if it's going to generate the same image or give something new, so we're going to do it again. We're going to do Ren, Shift, and Stimpy, S-T-I-M-P-Y. So we got Ren and Stimpy. Let's see what it's gonna do. Hit the group, the blue. Yeah. No, it gave a different one. Holy shit. And you can always tell it's AI generated. It always puts this little star in the bottom right corner. Oh my God, that is so funny. That's original. There's like, this doesn't exist. I just created it. Well, AI just created it. But yeah, this doesn't grab imagery off the internet or anything. It just generates its own. And it's amazing how it knows how Ren behaves and everything else. That's freaking scary. So, yeah, I'm having my fun tonight. Let me go to my page. I'll show you my 4 posts that I just put up not long ago. Go to posts. But yeah, even look at the Star Trek one. It's like, holy shit. I'll show you a full image of it. Here's the first Ren and Stimpy I got. I did a one for just asking for the Milky Way. And the first one I asked for, this was my first. I said a drift mine in the side of a mountain. And this is what came back as that. But let me put this down. Let me show you the Star Trek one because it really amazed me. So let me click on that. It'll bring it up in photos. I mean, I'm like, holy shit. Look at the accuracy of the generated people. I mean, you mean to tell me these people this don't look real? I mean, Uhura looks a little bit fake to me for some weird reason. I don't know why, but beyond that, like McCoy, Sulu, Shatner, and Spock, it's like, oh my God. This shit's scary. AI is getting scary. It's scaring me. So, I just wanted to thank you all for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.